So we're back. And this took a little bit of time, but it didn't take a lot, simply because the owner of this wardrobe was super, super, super organized. As you can see behind me, you've got all of the blouses that are white to black. So you can see how this just actually flows one thing to the next. It starts off with the whites, the creams, the beiges, and it works its way into prints and then the darker colors. This makes it easier to kind of like come in and on a whim select an outfit. But nevertheless, we're going to get into wardrobe styling in the next video. And if you look at the lower shelves, you can kind of like see here on the lower shelves, we've got the t-shirts, also white to black. These are all the short sleeves in her wardrobe. They've actually been put white to black, and then we work our way into skirts. What we did do is separate the evening wear and also the dresses. We didn't actually keep them on that same rack. What we did was we brought them over. So here they are. And if you look, we went from the creams, the beige, and the jewel tones. See, I'm trying to make sure that this camera is acting right, because it's acting weird. And you see she's got her prints, and then it's like we've got a lovely little rompers in here, and then eventually the longer dresses for evening. Now, the only reason why I'm like humming and hawing is because this camera is acting weird and I don't know how to actually stop it. But nevertheless, I do kind of like recommend that a lot of my clients have like this. This is a color wheel, and you can actually get this online. You can print it off and work back with it, so that when you're actually doing something in your closet and you kind of like don't know, wow, does orange come before red, or does red come before orange, or all of that kind of stuff, or where does purple fit in this color scheme? You can easily look at the color wheel and any kind of color chart, and it kind of like maps it out for you. Remember, black and white will not be on a color chart because it's actually seen as a void of color. So if we actually move outside, we're going to see. Now, what my client did was choose clothing that she was undecisive about. So therefore, we're back in here, and we're going to actually go into some items that she didn't know whether or not she wanted to keep, or if she wanted to donate, or if she wanted to kind of like wear but didn't know how to wear them. So if you look closely,